So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say what you want to do is you want to go ahead and apply a plastic effect to this image. In that case, you can simply select this image, then go around under effects. Then what you can do is go around over here under texture, and here you can see that plastic is an option. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that the effect seems as if the plastic is kept on top right here. You can go ahead now and change around the highlight, as you can see right here, and you can go ahead and change around the depth of the plastic as well, and then change around the smoothness of the plastic and change around the light direction as well, just like this, as you can see. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and change around the light color of the plastic, and you can see that you get the reflection accordingly, just like that as well. And that is how you can go ahead and apply out the plastic effect as you like inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.